Hello friends! Today let's get crafting and I'm going to my local Dollar Tree to pick up the supplies. You'll need some pom-poms, a sheet of cork, and you'll need some hot glue sticks. All of these available at Dollar Tree, and this is a really simple craft that you can do with your kids. So let's get started. We'll start by applying a dot of hot glue onto one of the pom-poms and then adhering two pom-poms together with it. And then you simply repeat this. Add a drop of hot glue, add another pom-pom. Add a drop of hot glue, add another pom-pom. You get the idea. We're going to be gluing our pom-poms together to make easy coasters today. So you want to create a chain of 9 pom-poms and then repeat it. So we have 3 chains of 9 pom-poms each. Once we have these created, you want to go ahead and create smaller chains of 3 pom-poms each, and you're going to need 6 of those. Now add a bead of hot glue onto each row and adhere the 3 long rows together. Now you just want to add the smaller rows, again 3 on this side and 3 on the other side to form an X. I realize that you really don't want to overthink this. Quickly apply the hot glue, press the pom-poms in place. My inspiration for today's project actually came from the Anthropologie website where they have these cute XO coasters. So let's make the O's now. Start by adhering 2 pom-poms and then gradually grow it to form a circle shape. And I grooved my circle as large as I could. Then you want to go ahead and trim out the cork sheet to be the same size as our coasters. So using a sharp pair of scissors, I'm using the coaster as a guide and carefully cutting around it so that I have a cork shape of the same size. Then what you want to do is actually use your scissor and trim it once more so that the cork sheet is smaller than the coaster that we've made. Now it's time to adhere the cork onto the pom-pom coaster. Again, I applied a lot of hot glue, liberally applied hot glue. My kids were helping me with this project and they had so much fun just using the hot glue gun, I'm telling you. Then press the cork sheet into place, flip it over, and your coaster is ready. The cork sheet actually comes with adhesive of its own, but since I had already had my hot glue out, I just applied a liberal amount of the hot glue. I peeled the adhesive backing and then I placed the cork sheet on top. Press down firmly and your coasters are ready. I love the white color, it makes it look so modern and classy. And this is such a simple craft, a very easy craft. I loved how this turned out. It stayed true to my inspiration and I used products that I found at Dollar Tree. Make sure to stop by my blog smilingcolors.com for more inspiration where I have a whole blog post using only Dollar Tree products. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting!